The first step in producing waterfall sample cards is to lay off the fabrics in their sequence of colors. A straight knife cutter is used for the gross cut. Then the fabric stacks are cut into large strips with the sample cutting and pinking machine. The sample strips are next glued onto the double-sided self-adhesive paper using a waterfall sample mounting machine. Again, the sample cutting and pinking machine is used, this time for the final cut from a full-width waterfall to narrow waterfall strips. Meanwhile, all the product information required to identify each sample is printed directly from the computer onto the sample card by a special card and cap printer. Finally, the waterfall strips are glued onto the sample cards.